All right, here we are with Josh Finch and Precision Plumbing. I'm here for Karsten Incorporated at 100 New Sugar Creek Road, Fenton, Missouri, 63026. I've been called here because this is a newly built apartment complex and there's plumbing going on in here, and the bottom units inside building number 2 on the far end of the wing are backing up, and we want to figure out why. I came in here and I got my camera and my cable in here, and I've discovered a couple of things. Right off the bat, as you can see, the main line that's underneath the parking lot outside has bellies in it. As you can see, I'm literally running one unit right now, and this is how much water is pulling inside the pipe outside in the parking lot. Some parts having literally no fall at all. We're going to back up, and you're going to see when we transfer going from the pipe, going inside of the building, and you're going to see here's another twist where it makes a turn. We also have a low spot in this 45, which also is going to separate the solids from the liquids. These are things that just go against us. Remember, we're catching 4 units right here. We need to have great fall to get things to flow out of here for it to work properly. So we already know that we have bellies in this main trunk line out here. It's barely flowing. We're just holding water out here, and that is not good. Right here, again, you're bellying up. We're just running a bathtub right now. That's it. Coming back into here. You're going to see everything looks good and fine. We're going to make the transition from the outside to the inside right here. But unfortunately, that looks great, okay? But 5 feet back at the 40-foot mark, approximately 1 foot 10 inches deep inside the breezeway, you're going to see we're going to start going underwater right here, okay? This is going to put it right beside the closet, the security closet that has the paint machine in it. We're going underwater at 40 feet. Boom. There is a good belly right here, okay? See how that water is just sitting in there and we're filling up all of that pipe? See how I come up out of the belly? How my camera's above it? Look at the riffle right there. Above water, boom! Underwater, 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 back out of the water. See how I dove like that and I was underwater for that 5-foot section? Pretty damn good belly right there. And whenever we don't have we turned on a lot of water, and that's why it looks like it's flowing great right now. But if I cut that down and just flush a toilet only, that tissue is going to separate from that water right here in this belly, and it's going to cause things to start building up inside of this pipe like they were today, okay? This did not look like this before we began. Alright, so you've seen the belly in between 40 and 45 foot. You see there's no bellies here, how my camera's not going underneath the water like that. Everything's above. It's great. Everything from here is fine, okay? So in between 45 and 40, we also have lower bellies out there on the main, but regardless, we have problems with this lateral inside the breezeway. 45 to 40, and then right here at the clean out, located right in the center of the breezeway where they've got the double Y, the double Y does not look like it has proper fall on it, and nor would I have double Y'd that personally. So what's happening is getting close. So these units, the 2 bottoms in the front, 2 bottoms in the back, they all tie in together on double Ys, okay? You see that double Y right there? So you see that we're already underwater at this double Y, which picks up the unit in the front on the bottom and the unit on the right at the bottom. It catches them both. It's completely full of water because on that double Y, on the top of it is actually the clean out, okay? Double Y, and then it comes to my clean out right here. So this double Y has no fall, and as the water is just sitting here spinning because that double Y has no fall on. It's not high enough in the air to make them both fly down there, so it's pushing solids back here to this clean out and staggering and building up in here, and then before you know it, this entry on this double Y gets clogged up. Today, this was where the main problem was at, is at this double Y. But if you can see the water level inside of there you have it. That's not ever going to flow right. I would replumb this, either put the proper fall on it or stack 2 Ys on each other, and that way you don't have each entry hitting each other. You know, that's why we're not allowed to use double sand tees, because there's no fall in the Y part of it, and it causes it just to go from both sides equally instead of things rushing out. So even though the sewer's open, the sewer's unclogged, you still have 2 horrible connections in here with bellies that are going to cause us to continuously back up, and your problems will come back, okay? I just see problems with the install of the pipe. I don't see any breaks, I don't see any root intrusions, I don't see anything just improper fall, and that's about it. Again, everything's open, everything's flowing well, but your problems will return. This is not going to ever stop. Again, this is going to be Josh Finch with Precision Plumbing. This video was made for Karsten Incorporated at 100 New Sugar Creek Road, Fenton, Missouri, 63026, June 9th, 2021. Thank you again and have a good day.